Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, this is shapes and color. Beautiful color. Yellow color, light green color, orange color, red color, brown color, light pink color, blue color, sky blue color. Shapes of drawing, green color, star, square, triangle, octagon, heart, circle. Kids, yellow color, star, light pink color, square, sky blue color, triangle, octagon, orange color, heart, black color, light green color, circle, star, square, triangle, octagon, heart, circle. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.